So I'm gonna wait for a few people to join. Okay. Um, nervous. I'll be okay. I'm gonna be all right. So for those of you wondering, okay, still waiting for people to join. Come on, baby. Waiting for people to join my live. Let's see who joins. Oh shit. Alrighty. Nobody's joining yet. Nobody's joining yet. Okay. Hot. Back up. Okay. Good. We'll be right there. I'll do my hair right here. Gonna go. 1 second. Okay. Now, for okay, so I want to keep it kind of long in the front. Okay. Or really short in the back, maybe. Alrighty. If anyone is wondering why I'm doing this, I lost somebody very dear to me. His name was Joe Marino. He was a bear dancer, and he taught me almost everything I knew as a little girl about all of our singing and our songs. And I just found out he passed away. So it's time for my hair to go. Nobody wants to see me cut my hair. Give me 1 minute. Forgot my scissors. So, here goes. I used to be entertaining. People used to watch my lives. Okay. Here goes. See how long it is? Not super long, but not gonna be long anymore. Let's see. Ready? 5. Let's see. No comments. Okay. Well, here goes. Here goes nothing. Ready? Ta-da! Let's see. Maybe even. Ta-da! Well, there we go. Is it even? No. I don't know, I kind of like it. Very short. Ooh, okay. Think I can live with this. So much easier to brush, oh my god. Still long enough to do stuff with. Short enough to feel a difference. Okay. Well, ta-da. Not even though, is it? Oh well. Just gotta go a little shorter on this side. And I'm done. Ta-da! There we go. Better. I think this is the shortest I've ever cut my hair as an adult. Tell me what you think. Or shall I style it? That was a lot of hair. So much to cut off. Alrighty. Gone. I like it. Okay. Now for the real test. Oh shit. Forgot I don't need as much hair stuff. Oh my god. Everywhere. Alrighty. What do you think, baby dog? You like it? Woo. I think I like it. For the real test. Can I even put it up in a ponytail? I can. Oh, that's a small ponytail. Oh my god. I think I like it though. I don't know. Okay. So now I gotta call somebody and ask them what they think about it. I mean, I like it. Okay, well, this is new. I think I want to do some layers in the front though. No. Maybe a little bit. go like this. Bum, bum, bum. Ready? Okay. Another layer? No, yeah. Yes. All right. I think I could rock this. I think I did good. I did great. I'm okay. I'm all right. At least I did scissors. Use scissors this time. So now, okay. That's really short. Hair clips. I think I'm gonna go shorter with that. Okay. See how that went. Oh, that's short. Okay. Let's see now. That's definitely short. Okay. What do you think? It looks so much more healthier. But very short. Okay. I could work with this. I like it. Okay. Great. Wonderful.